Okay, where we landing this time, boys? I'm gonna go over here. Please. Oh no. Oh, he's a shotgun. My goodness. I really just did that, dude. What? I can't shoot anymore. Get absolutely demolished. That's what you get, bro. Oh, shoot. Okay, well, I heard a guy, but where are you, bucko? Found some armor. We lit, dude. Could literally be people hiding anywhere in this game. You don't actually come across that many campers. People are usually like out there, dude. It's crazy because that's not how I want to play it, dude. I hide in houses. Because the way this game works is that like if you mess up one little thing, you're dead, you know? This is also not a good primary weapon, this pistol. Not digging it. Oh, well, there's a guy. See, that's why the shotgun is OP. Like, snipers are so good. It's such a hard decision. No, you need that AR late game. I'm sorry, you need it. Who's trying to die? I'll probably play some duos with the Mythic or Narwhal later. Previewers, whoever that lurker is, I appreciate you. Feel free to type in the chat if you want to. I'm about to get absolutely demolished, so that's fine, dude. I don't like this zone at all. So I'm gonna camp in this house, and wherever this next zone goes. Oh shoot. Yeah, don't run up on me, you're about to get blasted. See, that's where people are making these mistakes, bro. Ooh. 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 You could probably hear that. I'm not gonna be able to leave this house without taking damage. Oh shoot. Well, I trapped myself. Is that a house? We're gonna find out. I'm scared. green vest, but it's like all the way out in the circle. What am I doing, dude? Okay. I'm about to get sniped if I go there. Oh, 2 people? No. Bro, he got grenaded. He got grenaded. Dropped a long silver, I'm gonna reel him in. Bro, grenades are so good. I also happen to know that he wasn't that good of a player because he was using the minigun, and that is a rookie move. Trust me.